Hey, what's up folks? I'm out in Flushing today. Came out to Corona Park. I've been here like 10 years ago. Haven't really spent much time here at all, so I figured I'd take a walk down. It's there's not really much to photograph. It's just all open grasses, football pitches, and I think over there where the flags are, I think that's where they hold outdoor concerts. Could be wrong, because it looks like there's actually a lot of water there. So that's probably not it. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but just over here, see that sphere? That's the Unisphere, so I'm going to head over there and see what I can see. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Stroll over there and see what's what. And then if nothing really happens, I'll probably just head back into Flushing Main Street and see what I can see. Here we go, the Unisphere. It's pretty impressive though, isn't it? I love it. I took some shots from it here the last time, like I said, 10 years ago. I popped them up on the screen there now. So this is the place where the 1964, 65 I think it was, New York World's Fair was held. Anyone can Google it if you want. It's like if I remember correctly, like an innovations expo, all futuristic cars and stuff. I could be completely wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And then those two towers in the background, you've seen a shot of those too, but I don't actually know what they were for. I think that's where the World's Fair was held. But yeah, something to do with those two towers. Could be talking out of my arse for all I know. I should really research all this stuff before I come out, but oh well. So I took a few shots, I popped them up, it's really good. Just from over this side, and I used the grass area. I like what the clouds are doing right now. Obviously not amazing or anything, but it's a pretty blue sky as you can see, but at least the clouds gave it a little bit of interest. Maybe, perhaps, we'll see. And then I like the fact that the sun is hitting up the top of the sphere. There's a bit of shadow on the bottom. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna chill and I might wander back to Flushing.